Very good morning, 9th and 10th class students. Our running topic is probability. So from that probability, today I am going to explain some important questions. Listen well. An insurance company selected 2000 drivers. So one insurance company selected 2000 drivers in a particular city to find a relationship between age and accidents. So one insurance company selected 2000 drivers from a city. Why they selected? To check relation between age and accident. The data obtained is given below. So this is the data: 18 to 29 years, 30 to 50 years, more than 50 years. 0 means no accidents, 1 means 1 accident, 2 means 2 accidents, 3 means 3 accidents, and more than 3. Find the probability of the following. So on this data, some questions are there. You have to find the probability of the questions. Here is the first question. The driver being in the age group 18 to 29. So the driver is in the age group of 18 to 29. Having exactly 3 accidents. So to find the probability of an event, I need 2 things. What are the number of favorable outcomes and also total possible outcomes? First, number of favorable outcomes is equal to N0 is equal. So the driver should be in the age group of 18 to 29 and having 3 accidents. So what is the real? 61. So number of favorable outcomes to an event is equal to 61. Then after total possible outcomes is equal to N of S is equal to 2000. So what is the probability of given event? P of E is equal to N of E by N of S is equal to 61 2 by 2000. So out of the 2000 accidents between age group between 18 to 29, they are having exactly 3 accidents. So what is the probability of this incident? 61 by 2000. The driver being in the age group of 30 to 50 years and having 1 or more accidents. First of all, total possible outcomes N of S is equal to 2000. Next, number of favorable outcomes is equal to what you have here, 1 or more accidents. See here, where is the age group of 30 to 50? This is the column of age group of 30 to 50 years. In the 0 means 0 accidents. But what he asked? 1 or more accidents. So 1 or more means you have to count from this. Is equal to 125 plus 60 plus 22 plus 18. So it is total 225. P of E is equal to probability of given event is equal to N of E by N of S is equal to 225 by 2000. 225 by 2000. Next, having no accidents. Having no accidents means 0 accidents. So 440 plus 505 plus 360. Total possible outcomes N of S is equal to 2000. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 440 plus 505 plus 360 is equal to 1305. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S is equal to 1305 by 2000. Here we can cancel. What is the probability thrown dart hits the square board in shaded region? For example, one person he thrown a dart. What is the probability the dart should be hits this shaded region? So to find the probability, I need total possible outcomes. Here total possible outcomes is nothing but square and number of favorable outcomes. Here the favorable outcomes is nothing but area of the shaded region. This is a combination of two figures, square and circle. To find the area of the shaded region, you have to subtract area of the circle from area of the square. Here side of square is equal to diameter of circle. Side of square is equal to diameter of circle. What is the diameter here? 2 into radius is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4 centimeters. Here first of all, total possible outcomes. Here total possible outcome is nothing but area of the square. Area of square is equal. What is the formula? Side into side is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16 centimeters square. Next, number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is nothing but area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region. To find the area of the shaded region, what I said, remove the area of the circle from area of square. So what we can write here? Area of square minus area of circle. Area of the square, what is that? 16 minus pi r square. 16 minus 5 means 22 by 7 into, what is the radius here? 2 centimeters. So it is 2 into 2 is equal to 16 minus 88 by 7. Here what is the LCM? 7 is LCM. 16 into 7. 102 minus 88. 102 minus 88. Here 76 112 minus 88 by 7. Here I took 7 as LCM. So 16 into 7. 16 7s are 112. 112 minus 88 by 7. So 112 minus 88 is nothing but 24 by 7. Now here I know total possible outcomes and also I know number of favorable outcomes. Now I need to find the probability. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S is equal to favorable outcomes is nothing but 24 by 7 and total possible outcomes 16. 7 cancellations here. 8 2s are 8 3s are. So it is 3 by 14. So probability of that given event is 3 by 14. Assume that a dart will hit that dart board and each point on the dart board is equal likely. So here one dart board there that having 3 concentric circles with 1 centimeter one circle and 2 centimeters one circle and 3 centimeter. So a circle, radius of the circle C is 1 centimeters, radius of the circle B is 2 centimeters, radius of the circle A is 3 centimeters. So here 3 concentric circles are there. Find the probability of a dart hitting the board in A region. So here, what is the probability to hit the A region? You have to find. To find the probability, I need 2 things: total possible outcomes and number of favorable outcomes. So total possible outcomes is nothing but area of the larger circle. Total possible outcomes is equal to area of circle with radius 3 centimeters is equal to pi r square is equal to pi into 3 square is equal to 9 pi. So here total possible outcomes is nothing but 9 pi. Next, area of circle C. So what is the area of the, now I need area of the circle C. What is the radius here? 1 centimeters. So pi r square is equal to pi into 1 square is equal to pi. Next, area of circle B. So here nothing but pi into r square is equal pi into 2 square is equal to 4 pi. Next, area of circle A is equal 5 into 3 square is equal to 9 pi. Now I need only find the probability of a dot hitting the board in region A. So I need the area of region A. To find the area of the region A, I have to subtract area of the circle B from area of circle A. Why? Because A region is between the circles A and B. Number of favorable outcomes is equal to area of circle A minus area of circle B. What is the area of circle A? 9 pi. Minus what is the area of circle B? 4 pi. Is equal to 5 pi. So probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes is nothing but 5 pi by total possible outcomes 9 pi. Pi and pi gets the answer. So what is the answer? 5 by 9. From the figure given below, here one dot board there. He is hitting dot. Find the probability of a dot hitting the board in circular region B. So here A region there and also B region there and also C. What is the probability? The dot should be hits on B region.